how to administer liquid medications with an oral syringe. Here are the materials you may need. An oral syringe, an appropriate size for the dose. Liquid medication, a medication cup or container if needed, paper towel or cloth for any spills, and hand sanitizer if needed. First, wash your hands and gather your supplies. Then, you'll need to check the medication, verify the correct medication name and dosage to be given. Next, draw up the prescribed dose of medication. If possible, have your loved one sitting up or in a comfortable upright position to reduce the risk of aspiration. If the patient is unable to sit up, try to raise the head of the bed or use pillows to lift the head slightly, 30 degrees if possible. Then, administer the medication. Place the tip of the syringe in the side of the patient's mouth between the gums and the cheek. Slowly push the plunger to administer the medication. Finally, encourage the patient to swallow the medication. You can offer water if appropriate afterward to help with swallowing. You can also encourage swallowing and/or absorption of the medication by gently massaging the cheek while administering the medication. Northern Illinois Hospice, first in caring for life's final months.